I coordinate the interaction design degree as well as the user experience minor and the web development minor here at Columbia, and am a professor within the Civic Media Master's degree as well. My primary experience is in the pre-production and ideation phase of user experience design, so looking at ideas, brainstorming, getting groups to work together, and then creating design concepts from that. Combining civic media and user experience together helps create a foundational knowledge of empathetic user-centered design, connecting it within communities and understanding the people to be using it. Within the user experience courses, the biggest challenge is this idea of looking at perspectives outside of your own. That's a lot easier to say than it is to do. Actually getting out within the communities and walking around, talking to people. Without that, a lot of teams just make assumptions about what they think is true, and that's not an effective way to engage in a community. I get really excited when I think about civic media at Columbia because I think that it's really good that we're here in the South Loop. We have such a strong presence. We're really connected with the community here. I think they're gonna make really compelling work.